Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Clairol Natural Instincts Crema Keratina Hair Color Kit, Light Brown 6 Cappuccino Creme. Even thought the package says that it is capable of dyeing black hair to this color. The dye itself is easy to apply, being thick enough so that it doesn't drip all over the place. For someone like me who only washes hair like 3 or 4 times a week, it's great. If you have oily hair and have to wash every day, this might not be great choice. If your hair is thick or longer than shoulder length, then you should order 2 bottles. In fact, it does look very natural as the name implies. This was very easy to do. If you are young and looking for a very theatrical costume red, go for it. You have to close your eyes when you shampoo, otherwise your eyes might feel terrible for a day or 2. Works great for all shades of brown from light, medium, dark brown all the way to black. The vitamin C creme colorant, the color treat conditioner with aloe and coconut oil, and a set of gloves. The color treat conditioner leaves hair silky and shiny, and provides up to 6 weekly treatments. Product is ammonia free, and doesn't have as harsh of a smell as other products. The hair dye goes on thick so it stays where you put it without runs. Natural Instincts is a good, moderately priced brand of home hair dye that works well for me. This is a great product, especially if you don't want to commit to permanent hair dye. It has a dark blue tint, but it only shows up if you have some blonde in your hair. Has a bluish tint to it which seems to complement and work well with black. Good on gray, or if you're looking to go dark yet want to add an extra pop of color. Hair does not feel damaged or extra dry afterwards, and color looks fairly natural except fluorescent neon highlights. The process was very easy. Squeeze a tube of creme colorant into a plastic bottle containing color activator, mix, and apply. To be truthful, it wasn't as bad as the PPD ingredient dyes. No trip to urgent care, completely treatable with Benadryl. Now this is a great product at a great price, brand new, and on dark blonde hair came out perfect. The color coming out of the tube was a light gold, and there's only the slightest bit of dark color at the end of the tube. Bloomingdale's, or the hospital after a car accident, people would say your hair is beautiful. The product didn't have a strong smell, and it didn't make me tingly or itchy. This new version Crema Keratina takes 20 minutes instead of the 10 minutes with the original version, though only people who might not be satisfied are those with heavy gray. Semi-permanent isn't enough to cover those. This covers up the gray, and has not washed out the color to show the gray. Not sure if the coverage would be sufficient if you were trying to cover a lot of gray. It's much easier to get away with another week, or 2, or 3. If hair coloring fades gradually, rather than if it brightly clings to your hair with a death grip, good idea to stock up on a color you like, and you'll be set for quick touch-ups when you need them, which won't be nearly as often as you might with other brands and colorings. It looks darker inside, but in the sun you can really see the purple tone. Pleasant surprise, it didn't smell as badly as most hair dye, and the color was bright orange. If you're on the fence about the darkness of the color, get 1 shade lighter. Not overly loud, but you can definitely see that it's burgundy, and notice the shade. Think it would work best on medium or light brown hair, with the understanding the rich deep tone won't happen if you are too light to begin with. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.